Hi guys! Today, let's dive into a simple tutorial on transferring money from your RBC account to Scotiabank. It's a straightforward process and will guide you through step by step. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, first things first, open your RBC app, and once you're in, just look for the Move Money in the navigation bar. It's usually right at the bottom, so just tap on it to get started. Next, you will want to select the Send and Interact e-Transfer. It's a handy option for moving your money securely, so just follow the on-screen instruction like a digital guide taking you to the process. And then now, you will have the chance to add a recipient after tapping to hit that Add button, as this is where you enter the details for your Scotiabank account. Now, the cool thing is you're in control. When you're sending an Interact e-transfer, you get to decide when it will be sent. It's like having your own scheduling power. And if you want to make it a regular thing, then no problem, you can set the frequency too. It's all about tailoring your payments to suit your timing and how often you want them to happen. So feel free to customize and make it work for you. And that's it! You smoothly navigated the RBC app to send money over to Scotiabank. It's a speedy and efficient method for handling your transfers. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.